This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the rear wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Prise the plastic covers from the wheel bolts where applicable. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the floor seam. Don't jack under the sill flange. Raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the floor seam. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Apply a thin smear of anti-seize grease to the hub collar, then refit the wheel. Insert the retaining bolts and lightly tighten them. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Press the plastic caps into place over the wheel bolts. Remove the wheel chocks.